First, the top stories. Chief Minister assures to raise pension for journalists. $50-bedded tribal working women hostel at Adinjati complex inaugurated. And Public Action Committee of Dimapur to spearhead preventive measures to thwart illegal taxation. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The 46th Foundation Day of All Manipur Working Journalists Union MJU was celebrated at Manipur Press Club Imphal today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, MJU President Bijoy Kakching Tabam, Editors Guild Manipur President Khogendro Khomdram and Manipur Hill Journalists Union President Ramkung Pamay shared the dais on the occasion. At the event, Union founder members were honored by presenting simple gift. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of the 9th Journalist Sports Meet 2019 organized by MJU during Holi Festival. Chief guest of the function, Biren Singh, is in his speech assured that his government will put effort to increase the pension of scribes. He lauded the role played by journalists in the state. Referring to the thorny issues of Citizenship Amendment Bill, CAB, Naga peace talks and others, Biren Singh believed that settlement to these issues would be brought soon. The Manipur Chief Minister also referred to the drug menace and sought help from the media in the fight against drugs.
Only underground community the community could magi interest lo work to no apunba mindset ama pura pangam we are Manipuri natrana we are Indian na bisigi makhoi wakal da changba ngam do cookie gi toba naga gi toba maitai gi toba pangol gi toba dona the fractured society ma do ko je hobli lak na paumi oi bodo alu pau phomu gumba pawa gumba si yam lu boi kois kana ko mamagi interest so khidra hai bagi amadum bangna paumi sing ki majority do na se Manipur thoning do to thop to ne loi lukhabi widow se machine ai ji na hanga ta adu kari mawa pura bisu ka mai si ge drugs alcohol anu machi si ma utang ai media ge sino mayam dai request of jari government na sathari but total eradication
All Manipur Working Journalists Union President Bijoy Kakching Tabam urged upon the government to take steps for construction of a press colony in the interest of media persons, especially journalists from different districts who are staying and working in Imphal. Later in the day, Chief Minister Biren Singh inaugurated a 50-bedded tribal working women hostel at Adinjati complex, Chingmerong, Imphal. The hostel was constructed with the fund from Non-Lapsable Central Pool of Resources (NLCPR) at the cost of Rs 237.75 lakh, which was implemented by Tribal Affairs and Hills Government of Manipur under Manipur Tribal Development Corporation Limited. In a media query about National Register of Citizens (NRC), Biren Singh on the sidelines of the event said that the general public should not be panicky about influx of immigrants into the state, as it was also guaranteed by Union Home Minister Amit Shah at the recently held NEDA conference in Guwahati. Biren Singh informed that the government has taken up proper security measures in the border areas of Manipur to thwart entry attempt by illegal immigrants.
Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji ne handa ki Knowledge Council ki yam clearly neda gi from the yam clearly high gre madudi kari no hai ka hanagi leiriba existing laws Nagaland da leiriba Arunachal da leiriba ILP ki dagi kano da Mizoram da leiriba law ina madu even akoi Manipur gi
Article 371 si lady high report me am si amata trust ro haramina khoi yam ka hena khoi sidai da changa kani natraga khunda gini hai pakhaninga leite adugi mathakta tawdor si adu khanto obusing do khoi citizenship pi bu yar 2014 gi December gi tarik kun trama thogi mamang da lai graba amadi madada claim to graba kangbu hai bani adu masidai da khoi yam ka hena mi painingai oide khoi gate jiribam mau more aduga airport adagi every police station khuding koi madugi checking yam khona kan khalali na the mind thamse.
Meanwhile, Haryana to have its own National Register of Citizens (NRC) now. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar said that his state will also have an Assam-like NRC for its citizens. Khattar's remark has immediately got surprise backing from former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Khattar told reporters in Panchkula after meeting retired Justice H.S. Bhalla and former Navy Chief Admiral Sunil Lanba at their residences in Chandigarh that his government is keen to implement NRC in the state. Khattar met them under his party's Maha Sampark Abhiyan ahead of state polls in October. He had previously too supported NRC implementation across the country. Public Action Committee (PAC) of the Naga Council Dimapur will spearhead prevention measures to thwart illegal taxation being imposed by various non-state and state actors on trucks and lorries entering or passing Dimapur. The preventive measure will be for a period of 1 week beginning today, September 16, at various check gates and till further notice. PAC has also requested the Commissioner of Police to deploy security at all check gates and escort commercial vehicles to cross Dimapur. It has also requested police to enforce entry of all commercial vehicles into Dimapur from 5 am to 7 am and 7 pm to 10 pm. The volunteers who will be deployed at various check gates in Dimapur are drawn from various tribe representatives who will check the gates on two shifts, morning from 5 am to 7 am and evening from 7 pm to 10 pm. A combined team of Imphal East Commando and 6 Assam Rifles arrested 2 active cadres of Jalengrong United Front (JUF) during a counter-insurgency operation last night at Langol Laimanai in Imphal. The arrested are identified as self-styled Auditor General of JUF Safilung Golmai, age 48 years, of Tausang village, and self-styled Defense Secretary Kennedy Kamai alias Adigai, age 46 years, of Ngarian village. The operation was carried out under the overall supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations and Deputy Superintendent of Police Imphal East. Both arrested are said to be active members of the Central Committee of JUF. Police have recovered 3 mobile phones along with 4 SIM cards from them. They were later handed over to Lamphel Police Station for further legal action, a police report said today. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up, 85th Foundation Day of Wabugai High School celebrated. Stay tuned for more updates.
Hello Food Express na adom-adom gi matam manghandana home delivery tawbugi khudong chaba pijari. Ngasi mak housing mak adom na adom gi mobile da click ani khak nambiduna Hello Food Express ki apps asibu hapchin biu. Apps asigi matengna adom gi apamba chaningba chanaba makhalsing anakpa amadi arapada leiriba Manipur gi apamba hotel singdagi mahau leina chabiyo.
Atenba matamgi manungda apamba sanaba makhalsing Hello Food Express na pijariba home delivery ki khudongchab silobi.
Hello Food Express, your favorite food delivery.
Kangla food product ti iram nonggi aseng mamahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatanatana Kanglagi ano food item singi mahok kanglabada ngauroi daw kanaw leibagi.
Kangla.
Canback Industries की थामाबन DM College Western Gate की मायुक नबद लेबा Can Enterprises Showroom की opening ceremony लागलेबा September कुलमाथोई लिसिंगनी तराग मापंदा पांगथुक जरगनी opening ceremony असी का मरी लेना Canback photo contest अमसु थमजरी contest असी की आहान मना लुपा लिसिंग तरा अनि सुमना लुपा लिसिंग मंगा अदुगा अहुम सुमना ना लुपा लिसिंग अहुम थमजरी सरुग याबिनिंग बसिंगना हाइदबन नुमिनेसी की पुंग मापन फावदा लेंथोक बिरगलगा Canback Industries की Canback अममम पायरगा photo session अमा पांगथुक जगनी हाइरिबा फोटो सी Canback Industries की Facebook page ता अपलोड तवरगा लाइक मसिंग ख्वाइदगी याम्बा कंटेस्टेंट दा मना सी पिजगनी
Welcome back after the break. 85th Foundation Day of Wabugai High School, Kakching was celebrated at the school recreation hall today. Meritorious students of the school were felicitated by presenting simple gift on the occasion. Pradhan of Wabugai Gram Panchayat Y. Hemchan, Jilla Parishad member of Kairak Wabugai M. Jayantakumar, headmaster of Wabugai High School Asem Ibomcha, Jilla Parishad member of Hyanglam Wabugai E. Ranjana, former headmaster of the school M. Nabakishore and member of Hyanglam Gram Panchayat Y. Rabi were present during the function. Relatives of 7 founder members of the school were also honored by presenting simple gift on the occasion. 2 meritorious students of the school who scored high marks in the board examination 2019, namely M. Arvani and M. Payal, were presented with mementos and certificates. Later, the students performed cultural program to mark the anniversary. Inner Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan was today felicitated during the Silver Jubilee celebration of Kickboxing Association of Manipur (KAM) at Moirangkhom Junior High School complex today. The association also felicitated players who have garnered awards at their respective fields at the event. Speaking at the function, R.K. Ranjan said that Manipur is globally known as the powerhouse of sports as it produces quite a number of excellent players despite being a tiny state of India. Dr. Ranjan felt that positive attitude can ensure the state to present more sportspersons. He sought support from the public members towards speedy construction of the much-awaited National Sports University in the state. The BJP MP further urged all players to seek support from the Sports Ministry.
Olympics da karamba agenda Manipurna kamaila excel toksige award kamai lawan sige kaiba sugumba makal ki sports policy lawan janingi award phangdi kiba nasai aduga course idana ko sanaroi mayam continuously putok direba amadi organization ase masibu ena isord kuram jabagul wenana tung sangla Manipur ki mingsat purpang ngamba adumba organization ama ohendiu.
The Rongmei Naga Students Organization RNSO expressed deep concern over the increasing trend of tobacco use among students. RNSO, the apex students body of Rongmei community in India, appealed to the Manipur government to formulate a clear-cut policy on import of tobacco products and sale of tobacco items in the vicinity of educational institutions. The RNSO said it will monitor sale of tobacco products in and around education institutions in Manipur. The organization also sought support from other students' body in the effort. Naurem Boinau Singh, representing Manipur, has been selected as a member of the Executive Committee of India Pencaxilat Federation for the term of 2019 to 2023. Boinau was selected as member during an executive committee meeting of the federation held on September 10th in Punjab. The Good Karma Foundation Thanga organized a cleanliness drive under the banner Save Loktak, No Our Lake, Loktak Kansi campaign today in and around the Sendra tourist spot of Bishnupur district. The cleanliness drive was also participated by volunteers of Sendra Youth Club, Sendra and personnel of 31 Assam Rifles and local members. During the campaign, a bunch of plastic waste was removed. A 5-point pamphlets was also distributed to the locals as well as the visitors to save Loktak Lake. The points include banning of plastic use and planting more fruit-bearing trees. The Sashi Kiran Charitable Trust under Mooncatcher Project USA has organized an awareness program on menstrual cycle for the parents of young girls in the age group from 6 to 10 years at Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya yesterday. The program gave awareness on how to handle the young girls when they have their first menstrual period and how to maintain hygiene. Ruchika Jaggi of Sasi Kiran Charitable Trust and Assistant Professor of Manipuri University, Dr. Kelena Gurumayum, delivered speeches on menstrual awareness. She said this awareness program will be held in remote areas of Manipur in future. The trust also distributed reusable sanitary pads to the young girls. Former MLA of Moirang constituency M. Prithviraj distributed educational kits to the students of Anita Memorial School in memory of his late father M. Manindra as part of the program.
And we have partnered with the Mooncatcher Project. It's a US-based NGO, and our program is to provide reusable, washable menstrual kits to girls so that they do not miss school. So we give our kits completely free because we have found that girls drop out of school once they start menstruation, and we want them to continue their education. So last year in October, Mooncatcher Project came to India and we set up a manufacturing unit in Delhi, and now we are providing the education and providing the free kits to schoolgirls who need them the most. And because a lot of the girls are unaware and there are a lot of myths and taboos about this subject, and also mothers do not openly talk to their daughters, so through using a video and question interactive session, we clear all their doubts and want to give them a positive body image and for them to feel proud of themselves.
Girls out here in schools or colleges, we use only sanitary napkins which are not reusable, which are disposable. So we are donating the sanitary pads which are rewashable, reusable, and which is very environmental friendly. So use only. And what are the things which is going through during this period, we are just trying to explain to them, making them aware about the
Founder of Meitei Sathup Lanthup Thangta Academy, Saugaijam Bhava Singh alias Momocha Thangta Master of Moirangkhom Saugaijam Leka has entered his name in the Guinness Book of World Record GBWR by performing a single right-handed 40 push-ups on a sharp shot during a demonstration held at Manipur Press Club yesterday. Let's take another short break, but coming up, Naga girl Sekula Nekha among 40 winners of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation initiative.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837-353352 or 9402-991-938.
AIYF Manipur State Council na sinjaduna
Lamyanba Luching Purel Hijam Irawat the tribute tawjaba
Kunmari Raksuba State Level Jananeta Hijam Irawat Saithai Se Changdamnaba Pangthok Jaragan. Category ani thokna khaidok jai junior amasung senior category.
Form thajan bagi aroiba numit na
18 September 2019. Date of competition 22nd September 2019. Mafam na JN Manipur Dance Academy Imphal.
Competition sigi form pampam na
AIYF Office Irawat Bhavan Group Mahalteng Imphal.
Manipuri gi saisak pising na form hamtang lobi dana.
Masida upcoming singer na saruk yabiyo.
Aduga masigi competition asin khalaliba sejak pising idi amna soba platform mo idini
Manipur gi nongle khalak libi singna saruk yabiyo.
Kunmari Raksuba State Level Jananeta Hijam Irawat Saithai Se Changdamnaba.
Nupani kaina kumai rau za atek pubide leishari ngai dana aduda puniga dahada puniga
ngasi de kaino
yare nung phadoksu koi pubibedo akhoi di phangjadrabani
ngai khone ai wasisu yam nungai pauni ne ahum lak suba langbal kaithel pangthokadori
atili kaida
hapta kai jimuda
asengwira
mane
DS Enterprises Kaisam Thongna Khodol Tamliba ahum lak suboina pangthokadoriba langbal kaithel Meet the Star Fashion Show, Dance Competition, Tapta Night, Musical Night, amadi angang singidamakta oina Disneyland item na singba kaya na miyamda kumay oihangadoriba ahum suba langbal kaithel.
Adidi yam nungai ni.
Adi miyamdo nangonda ne yengba salusena ne haige toriba.
Welcome back. Sekula Nekha from Nagaland has been selected as one among the 40 winners of 120 under 40. The new generation of family planning leaders. It is an initiative of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation that recognizes and honors the achievements of family planning leaders worldwide. According to reports, Nekha has been honored for her various kinds of initiatives on increasing awareness around the importance and risks of sexual and reproductive health. After the publication of the final National Register of Citizens (NRC), the government has decided to withdraw 100 units of Central Police Force personnel which were deployed prior to the publication of the NRC. The decision, according to the Ministry of Home Affairs, was taken as there was no violence in Assam ever since the publication of the final NRC list. A total of 10,000 personnel have been withdrawn. The Supreme Court today found the government's statistics of thousands of instances of death, terror and violence in Jammu and Kashmir from 1990 as formidable regions, leading to the August 5, 2019 lockdown that followed the withdrawal of the special rights and privileges of Kashmiri people with the reading down of Article 370. The top law official told a bench led by Chief Justice of India CJI Ranjan Gogoi that since 1990, 41,866 persons have lost their lives in 71,033 terror incidents. This included 14,038 civilians, 5,292 security personnel and 22,536 terrorists. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah today reviewed the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir amidst report of around 230 terrorists waiting at terror launch pads in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir to enter the country. During the 2-hour-long meeting, also attended by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba, among others, the Home Minister was given a detailed presentation on the prevailing security situation in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly along the international border and the line of control. Shah took stock of the situation and was briefed about the steps taken to maintain peace along border areas as well as in the valley. Ending speculation around whether he will make a joint appearance with Indian Prime Minister Modi, US President Donald Trump's participation in the September 22nd Howdy Modi Diaspora event in Houston has been confirmed. The US President will also address the gathering expected to be in the tens of thousands, according to reports. It will be a great opportunity to emphasize the strong ties between the people of the United States and India, to reaffirm the strategic partnership between the world's oldest and largest democracies, and to discuss ways to deepen their energy and trade relation. A statement from the press secretary said, over 50,000 people have registered for the event, which will be held at Houston's NRG Stadium. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Chief Minister assures to raise pension for journalists. $50-bedded tribal working women hostel at Adimjati complex inaugurated. And Public Action Committee of Dimapur to spearhead preventive measures to thwart illegal taxation. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.